Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I have homes to show you in the parishes of Trelawny, Kingston and St. Catherine, and Manchester. So let's jump right into the video. The first home I have to show to you guys is this lovely property listed for 17 million Jamaican dollars or US $110,454 or 84,611 pounds. Now this is a beautiful, well-maintained property in Rose Apple Close, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. This house sits on a really sizable lot of 4,500 square feet, and it is for sale for you guys to run and go and purchase. Now look at this home. You can just tell that this home has just been well maintained, kept with care. Like, it's just so open and area, and I love that front entrance area there, just really nice and inviting. All right, so yes, you'd have to go in and do some updates and renovations, but it is still classified as move in ready. The renovations and updates that you do just probably be for your own personal taste, you understand? But this one is quite move-in ready. You do have some built-ins and some cabinetry, upper and lower cabinetry in your kitchens. Maybe I'd go in and add like a few more, but not bad at all. Not bad at all. This is a beautiful, well-maintained home. So guys, if you are interested in this one, you can check the description box, and the description box is right below the title of the video to be able to send the realtor a message and do a viewing if you love that one. Let's take a look at this apartment that's for sale in the corporate area. This is listed for 22.5 million Jamaican dollars or US $146,189 or 111,985 pounds. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment located at Oakland Court along Kingston Spring Road in the Kingston 8 area. Now, Oakland Court is just across from, the Oakland Convenience Center. It has like a little shop. It's like a little shopping plaza with a pharmacy and other restaurants along in the area. And the beautiful thing about this home is the location. This is what really sells it. It's the location along Kingston Spring Road. You're going to be close to restaurants, schools like Queens, Immaculate, supermarkets, a tax office. So the location is a big selling point for this apartment. And one thing I've noticed, I don't know if you guys noticed it too, a lot of these apartments along Kingston Spring Road, the rooms are so small. Like, I think the developers in that time, they were just trying to get every ounce of like their apartments, the rooms are just so small, but it's a good start. I think these type of apartments are just a good starter apartment. Of course, some updates have to be done to this apartment as it is a bit dated, just a tad, and this would also be a good one that you can update and also rent out to young professionals, persons working in the corporate area. Again, as I said, the location of this one is going to be like a huge selling point. And yeah, the apartment does have like this tennis court, right? And as I said, it's right across from that Oakland's Convenience Center. So if you're interested in this one, you can check out the description box down below to send the realtor a message. I finally found a Trelawny home worth showing to you guys. This one is listed for 150,000 US dollars or 23,086,500 Jamaican dollars or 114,082 pounds. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home located in Florence Hall Village in the Falmouth, Trelawny area. This home is located in a gated complex which has 24-hour security, and the community also features a playground, a basketball court, and a jogging trail. So it seems like a nice, family-oriented community with all these lovely amenities that persons do seek out. So here's this home here. It seems to be, not that old. you know, because it does have that new look of how they have been building these what should I scheme homes. So yeah, it's like the newer scheme homes, that type of look. And persons always ask me about Trelawny homes, so I'm glad to be able to show you this one. So as you can see in the bedrooms, you do have closets, right? And this home seems pretty move-in ready and new. So if you are interested in this one, a link will be left in the description box for you guys down below, where you can reach out to the realtor to do a viewing. The last home I have to show for you guys is this home listed for 25 million Jamaican dollars, or US $162,433, or £124,428. This one sits on a large lot size of 10,990 square feet, and this is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom property. It is located on Marley Mount and Banbury in the Kendall, Mandeville, Manchester area. All right, so how this house is divided is that on one floor you will have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, and laundry. And then on another floor, you'll have 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, kitchen, veranda, laundry, pantry, and storage area. So you could rent out, you know, probably even you can rent out the smaller side, or you could even rent out the larger side. It just depends on you. So this one, it does need some upgrades, but it seems it's not the oldest home, let's say that, right? So it's not the oldest home, but it does need some updates and some renovations. But what I like about this home, the rooms seem to be quite spacious. I love when, you know, them just build some spacious rooms, because sometimes you see some house and some large that, you know, and then build some small room. I say that doesn't make no sense. But I love how these rooms are just open and quite spacious. As I said, you know, it seems you have to go in and do some renovations and some updates in the home, but not bad at all. You're going to see the laundry area. Right, so you know you have space to put your washing machine and your dryer and all of that. Is an enclosed laundry area, which is good. Right, so here are some more of the rooms, nice, large, and spacious. And the rooms do have closets already been built in. Sorry. The bathrooms are what would definitely need, you know, the most work. You know, they do need some updates. Where, you know, we're past the colored bathroom accessories and everything. They do need some updates, so you guys can budget for that. And then you're going to see also the back porch area, which is always really nice to have. Can take, you know, take your patio furniture and go out and just sit down and look out on the rest of your property, because as I said, this one is like a really large lot space again. So if you're interested in this one, I will leave the link to the realtor down in the description box down below. All right, and the description box is right below the title of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with a friend or family. Share it in your WhatsApp group, share it in your church group, share it in your work WhatsApp group. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, follow me on TikTok and on Instagram at Safe Haven, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll showcase some St. Anne homes, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video, bye guys.